Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove the Ford Focus Mark II 2005 up to 2011. We're going to show you how to remove the stereo, CD player stereo unit. This is a 6000 CD. So I'll show you how to take this out. So first of all, you're going to start off by taking the plastic off. You're just going to have a flathead screwdriver. Pop in between this. Be careful to scratch the side bits. You can put a bit of masking tape around the top if you want to be extra careful. This just pops out easy. Just put it in between the sides. Let's go all the way around. Just take your time. Not too hard. There you go. That comes straight off. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, 20s. But before you do this, remember to remove the battery before you change the stereo. Disconnect the battery. Just take off the negative plug before removing. Okay, so we've got 4 T20 screws. One here, one there, one there, and one there. Pull out. Make sure to disconnect the battery. Then you have this one plug here. You got another one for the aerial. That can just pop straight off. That comes straight out. Okay, you have this connection at the back. That connector. So what you're gonna do is gonna push that little tab in and then pull this up. Simple. Push down. This should pop right out. That's it. That's the plug. That's the stereo. So that's how you remove the stereo system. One plug and one for the